And this is a blank L. This was kanisha. And what we get, the electric field at point P, the electric field we obtain is K lambda over A times L over square root of A squared plus L squared over 4. This is a total charge Q, right? So the actual given is Q over L. Now, let's actually give this in terms of, not in terms of lambda, kaya ang given kay Q over L man, no? Because I want to manipulate something dire. Okay? So if we substitute Q over L dire, mag-cancel na right? Q over L. So sa ato pa, okay, this is I hat. So meaning our electric field will be purely on the x-axis, which is predictable because of symmetry. But if you evaluate it in any arbitrary point, it will no longer be 0 ang y. And you can see that y, sa katong pag-integrate nato sa y, nahimo lang to siyang 0 tungod kay pareho ang ano nila, no? Same. But if you substitute a different lower limit and upper limit, it will not be 0. Okay? So in this case, we have this. If we replace lambda by equal to Q over L, what do we get now? Our electric field will be KQ over A times square root of A squared plus L squared over 4. Now, this is I hat. Let's analyze this. Tanaw na itong mga special cases. What would happen? Okay, what would happen if, okay, I'll write it here. What would happen if atong ishrink ni siya? We shrink this instead. Meaning what happens if L approaches 0, right? When L approaches 0, notice that our formula now becomes KQ over, this is 0, right? So may mong square root of A squared, which is A. So atong formula would be, square root of A squared is A, so A times A is A squared. KQ over R squared, but this is just KQ over R squared times the distance. Why did we obtain the formula for the point charge from this? Well, because if you shrink L, this will now become a point, tama? So we expected nga dapat makuha nato ni siya. Okay? Masabtan. Okay? Now, we also have a different scenario. This is the first one. Here, the second one, if we want an infinitely long wire, meaning an infinitely long wire, okay, here L approaches infinity. L approaches infinity. As L approaches infinity, why is this so? Why are we interested with this very large nga? It doesn't exist man, di ba? Well, in practical applications, that's equivalent to a wire, although it's not very long, but if you're very, very close to the wire, then your distance compared to the length of the wire becomes negligible, tama? Mura siya mahimong infinite, tama? Like for example, the radius of the earth is infinite compared to my height. Right? Or the distance from here to Davao, okay, my height, tanawin mo akong height, i-compare mo sa distance from here to Davao, di ba almost 0? So meaning, the distance from here to almost to Davao, which is, let's say, finite siya, it's finite, right? But compared to my height, I can say that it is infinite. So, yeah, the way we use infinite in our language, in times that we say infinite for very, very large. Okay? But still, finite. But of course, there is still those actual infinities, no? Pero, anyway, so infinitely long wire, we have so we want to calculate the electric field on an infinitely long wire. This is now our setup. You have an infinite long wire. You want to calculate the electric field at that point, which is of distance A from that. And that's infinitely long wire. So what we are going to do now is, well, take the limit, pero we have to use this first. Can I technically? Why? Because as, tanawa ha, as this becomes infinite, our charge Q will becomes infinite, tama? Ang total charge mag-infinite man po, magkadako, right? Kaya magkadako ang length, magkadako po ang total charge, but something that remains constant as we stretch it, length. And that would be the lambda, right? So we will express this like balik dire in terms of lambda. So from here we have E is equal to K lambda L over A times square root of A squared plus L squared over 4. I hat. As L approaches infinity, notice, tanawan ni siya. As L approaches infinity, look at this one inside. As L approaches infinity, what we want to look at is the behavior of A squared plus L squared over 4. If this is very, very small, this will matter. Right? As L approaches infinity, this will no longer matter, no? So this will now approach L squared over 4. So sa ato pa, this whole square root thing here, okay, will just approach L squared over 4, tama? So L, sa ato pa, this now becomes K lambda L over A times L squared over, square root of L squared over 4 is L over 2. So mag-cancel ang L, what do we get? 2K lambda over, okay? 2K lambda over A, I hat. Okay? Now, finally, we now have this important na ginagamit nato in, like we are using in industry. The electric field of a very long wire is just this. 2K lambda over A. Now, let's put K as 1 over 2 pi, 4 pi epsilon, no? So, this is, kung ato ni siyang ikuan, times 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. So, this is over half, tama? So, this now becomes lambda over 2 pi epsilon naught A. This is an important result here. The electric field due to a wire, charged wire. Okay? This is the first practical result that we have derived. And in practical, you can use this one. If that's wire is infinitely long, but if not infinitely long, we still get this one. Okay? Nasabtan? So, now yun, nasabtan na ninyo, yun sa napag-derive from here to here. Lambda over 2 pi, yeah, it should be, yeah, it's correct. Okay? Nasabtan. All right. Now, ako nag-erase ha? Let's now have a different system. Okay? Instead of this, we want to calculate the electric field on a plane. So we have this plane here. Okay, X, Y, Z, no? We have this plane. This is, let's call this the X, the Y, and the Z axis. Can you know? X, Y, and Z. Let us put the sheet, the charged metal sheet. The charged metal sheet on the YZ plane. This is now the charged metal sheet. This is a charged metal sheet or plane. Okay? And we can have this as a finite dimensional, meaning L ra gihapon ni siya and L. So meaning dimension L of length of sides L. So nakakadira, no? And then we want to calculate the electric field at a point diri on the x-axis. at a point on the x-axis, which is, okay, since this is x-axis, we can give this point as, let's call this A, and then pilay y, 0 and 0, right? Okay? Now, so we now have this, okay. Okay, I will use the board as, imagine this. This will be our x-axis dire, no? Kani. Okay? So sa ato pa, in this case, mo ni ang asa ang y. This is the y and this is the z. Okay. Now, naa diri ang x. Okay. Since still, ang ato ang ano man god, ang ato ang guba pa, ang ato ang knowledge how to calculate is sa point, and later we will actually be using our knowledge. Kabalo naman mo calculate og electric field due to infinite line. So I will calculate this in two ways. First, I will calculate this in terms of a point. An arbitrary point dira. Okay? And that point has an area delta A, or let's call that dA. Okay? That is the area of that one. Of course, let's give this a sigma. The total charge of this could be Q. So sa ato pa, sigma is just equal to Q over the total area of that. So we can think of this as Q over L squared, right? Pag square siya. Okay? Pwede gyapon na siya, pwede infinite sheet na siya. I think this needs to be infinite. Ato lang i-infinite siguro, no? As of now, let's just take L. And then we will substitute infinity later. Now, naa diri ang kuan, right? So, in that case, asa na siya? Di ba kani? Right? This is that point. So, we want, this is our R. This is our RP. And this will be our R prime. What is our R prime? What is our RP? Ang atong RP is this, right? In this case, our ang atong R, this is our R, and this is our RP here. And from that, padulong diri is our R prime, right? Sa atong language, in our language of dealing this. So that clearly, our R is given by 0 ang X, and then of course, Y, Z, right? So that RP minus R is just equal to A, negative Y, negative Z. Okay. So we can now calculate the electric field due to this point there. Nasabtan. Nasabtan? Nasabtan. Okay. So, okay. The electric field now, DE, is equal to the charge of this, since the total charge is, it has a sigma area charge density, sa ato pa, the charge of this will be dQ. Let's call that dQ. And dQ, okay, is given by, since this is dQ over dA, tama, equals lambda. So sa ato pa, sigma di ay. So sa ato pa, dQ is sigma dA. Nakuha? So dA now will be K dQ, which is sigma dA over A squared plus Y squared plus Z squared raised to 3 halves times A minus Y minus Z. Now, I'm not going to evaluate Y and Z. Again, it is symmetric both and Y and Z. Tanawa, ang Z dire, bawion dire, tama? So, the Z will cancel out. Ang Y dire nga side, ang Y dire, bawion sa Y dire, tama? Ang Z dire, bawion sa Z dire. And we are assuming it is a uniform density. So, clearly, even if you show that this will be the zero ang dire nga portion, no? Okay, remember that this is EXI plus EYJ plus EZK. And we know by symmetry that these two are 0. So I need all I need to do is evaluate the integral dire. So looks familiar, right? Halos pareho lang, pero there's now a catch here. So DE now would become A KA sigma dA over A squared plus Y squared plus Z squared raised to 3 halves. This is my DEX. EX lang ako ang yan, ano? Para din ako magbutang og either eh. Now, but since this is a rectangular, a rectangular script, then we can say that dA is equal to this length here is dz, and this length here is dy. So sa ato pa, dA is equal to dx dy. Ay, sorry. dy dz. So this means that this is equal to k, okay. This is dy dz. Then we can now calculate our EX by integrating. Since this is double, this is now the double integral of KA sigma dx, dy dz over A squared plus Y squared plus Z squared raised to 3 halves. It's now a double integral. Okay, of course, we integrate first on Y, and then we can integrate now in Z. In integrating in Y, we treat Z as constant. So let's integrate dy first. Okay? Let's integrate dy first. Okay? Let's integrate dy. So, okay, EX now would be constant ang KA lambda, diba? So, KA sigma, sorry. I keep on saying lambda. Okay. The double integral of dy dz, okay. Since atong ibutang ang dy dire, the integral of dz, let's integrate dz first. A squared plus, okay, A squared plus Z squared plus, okay, sorry, dz, A squared plus Y squared plus Z squared raised to 3 halves. Tama? Now, still, this is the same integration process. Kung tanawon ninyo, we can take this as a single constant squared. So we can, let's say, you can call it as, let's use D na lang. So sa ato pa, D squared equals A squared plus Y squared. So from here, we use trigonometric substitution. Z now is equal to D tangent U. So that dz now becomes D secant squared U du. Okay, so what happens now? Ka sigma integral of dy at usa sang ibutang dire kay anyway we're integrating in z. This is integral of d. Okay, by the way, what's the limit? The limit is still from minus L over 2 to L over 2, ha? Okay, we have those length, right? L over 2, L over 2. Nakuha ninyo? Okay, this is d, asa na to? Ay, let's not use db, ano na lang, s na lang. S. So this is S. S. So this is S. Oh, nana po yung S dire. Sana lang. May K na. O, P na lang. Sige, P. 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 Okay. So, P secant squared U du over. This is P squared plus. So, ang unsay may tabuan eh? P squared plus P squared tan squared, diba? So, you have P squared plus P squared tangent squared U raised to 3 halves. Tama? Separate na ko ang P squared, so becomes P squared 1 plus tangent squared. Ana. Then, raise P squared to 3 halves, so may mong P cube. Tama? May mong P cube. Karon, we can now take P dire. So this is now Ka sigma integral of dy, P cube man siya, so dy over P squared, right? Dy over P squared. Now this one becomes secant squared, right? Secant squared u raised to cube is secant cube. Secant over, so dato pa, this is now cosine u du, right? Same gapon. Okay? Alright. Kapay time. Na-review nga po yun. Butag alas 7. Katesting ko sa una nag-lecture og general relativity pa ganito. Sugod alas 8 sa buntag hantod hapon. JR to nga, bugat kayo. Okay, what's the integral of this again? Ka sigma integral of dy over P squared sine. And what was this again? Kaniha atong gikuan katong like the integral. Okay, di ba ana? Though this is our u. So since we let tan u is P over Z, so this is P over Z, right? So this is square root of P squared plus Z squared. So that sine u, this is now sine u. But sine u is P over that. So this is replace this by P over P squared plus Z squared, square root. Now, we are now ready to, okay, wala pa din natin, this is evaluated, ato sa ning i-evaluate ang limit, no? Okay. Let's now evaluate the limit by, okay, from here, okay, Ka sigma, direstas de. This is now equal to Ka sigma, the integral of, dy over, what is P? Balik na itong P. Diba this is A squared plus Y squared times A squared plus Y squared square root. Tama ba? Ay, okay. Times ana may P din no, P and P. So mahimo na lang square root na lang dire, right? So we have now square root of P squared plus Y squared. Ay. Sorry. What is P? A squared plus Y squared, right? So, this is A squared plus Y squared times, times 1 over okay, A squared plus Y squared plus Z squared. Evaluated now from minus L over 2 to L over 2. So, when we evaluate this, Ka sigma, the integral, okay, again, ang integral dito kay minus L over 2 to L over 2, gyapon na. In Y, we have symmetric, ana. Okay, this becomes now, substitute sa Z, kanila nga itong makuhaan diri. So, this is dy over square root of A squared plus Y squared. Sakto na ba? Basi nasayop ta ha. Ngano ganing na squared dire? This is cube, cancel. So yeah, that's why na P squared. So na P squared dire, and then mo gawas ang P, so P. P squared is A squared plus Y squared man. So ang P is square root. Okay, sakto. So this becomes now this minus this, unsay mahitabo? Times sa. Times sabay kay murag masiro. Natay sayop. Masiro siya. Times sa unsa ganitong ano? Balik ta nawala ta. Unsa ganitong this P over sakto ba ni? Wait lang ha. Z is equal to P tangent U, no? So Z over ay okay. Nasayop ta. Because tangent U, ay, sine U, no? Sine u is, this is over P. Sine u is opposite. So Z di ay ni diri. Right? Sorry. Okay. Na. Na. Ano po? Okay, sorry. Sakto ba? Z, no? Z. Okay, this is, kay opposite man ang, tama ba? U, Z, P, no? So, okay, so, that's why Z is equal to, tangent U is Z over, so ito, Z, sa ato pa morning opposite yun. Okay. So, this is wrong. Sine is Z over square root of P squared plus Z squared. So, this is equal to Ka lambda integral of dy over P squared. So, this is A squared plus Y squared. Times, this is Z evaluated from A squared plus Y squared plus Z squared. The limit now will be minus L over 2. We are substituting it at Z. Right? Minus L over 2 to L over 2. Wala na siya square root. Square root, no? So, we have this square root here. Now, when we evaluate this, L over 2, pareho ang minus. So, L over 2 minus negative L over 2 is L, right? So, this would become, this is Ka sigma, the integral of dy over A squared plus Y squared times. This now would become, times sa astang lisura lagi ni. This is L over A squared plus L squared over 4 plus Y squared. Times sa, murag na po ko sa'yo, paano ba? Wala ni nag-cancel? Cube. Cube ni siya dire? A. Nakoy A dire ba? I'm suspecting I have done something wrong dito. B, mulawan tanis video. Asa na itong sugod? Dili kay, this has complicated na ni siya actually. Kay kani square root. Kani duda ko wala ni siya ba? Nani siya nganong naaga ni P diri? P. Naay P squared, so naay this is no longer P squared, tama? P squared yapon, P squared. P squared, o sa mo to naay P squared dito. But times sa stang kapuya ni. Dili kay P squared na may P cube man and then naiana, that's why we have a P squared here. Nakuha? Di ba P squared? Raised to 3 halves, that would be P cube. So over we have P squared here. And then you have dy over P squared. Ang problem lang when we integrate this one, it becomes very difficult now. Okay? It becomes a difficult integral. Okay, I think I'll have to take this. The integral becomes very difficult when we evaluate this. Murag basin lisod kayo ang kanag yung finite. So let's take the infinite case. Ibig sabihin, let's take the infinite case. I think this is correct, but the integral becomes very difficult to. This is difficult to integrate. Why? We have y squared here. We have y integral. Napa sa sulod. It's very complicated. I think it can be integrated, but we don't have time to integrate that one now. Okay, basin ugma patamaman ang ato ng integratron. So, what we are do is instead of this limit, we want to evaluate an infinite sheet. Okay? So the limit now would be from negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay? Now, if that is the case, tanawan ninyo ni, as z approaches positive infinity, tanawan ng z squared. Di ba dili na siya mag-matter, right? So this will approach, this whole thing here will approach to z squared. So the whole thing now will approach to square root of z squared, which is z. Sa ato pa, as it approaches infinity, it approaches to 1. Minus, for negative infinity. Okay? Patabang ng tag-infinity, kaya di man masolve sa L, no? Masolve siya, pero lisod kayo ang integration. Okay? Minus. Okay, so, okay, minus infinity. So, still, this will approach to z, right? Z lagi hapon. Positive z. Kay square root of z squared is absolute value man. Pero ang taas is negative z, right? So, negative 1. This will approach to negative 1. Nakuha ninyo? So, this will be just 2. Tama? Okay? So, nasimplify. Dali na ka-integrate. Nga naman. Okay, so this becomes now Ka sigma. This is just 2. So, 2 Ka sigma, the integral of dy over a squared plus y squared. And we can now integrate. Okay, again, infinite sheet now. We are evaluating at infinite sheet. Not L, because we can do it in L, but the integral becomes complicated. I think we can be integrated, but it's quite complicated to integrate that one. We have to use special integration ato. So sa infinity, the problem becomes easier kay okay, anyway. Again, usay gamito nato dire same gihapon, right? So y is equal to a tangent u. So dy now is equal to a secant squared u du. So this would now become 2 Ka sigma. Okay. 2 Ka sigma integral. This is from minus infinity to positive infinity, okay? Okay, katong box ganiha, tong block ganiha nga ana no nga L, we are no longer using this. We are actually extending it to infinity. Right? Kay pag finite siya, maulpot ta sa integration, no? Di ta ka proceed. Well, we can ask a software to integrate that, but wala man tay kuan ron. So you see now that unlike differentiation, you can differentiate any function that you want, right? Pero sa integration, there really are times when the integration becomes so complicated. So, okay, so this becomes a secant squared u du over, unsa ni siya? This is a squared times 1 plus tangent squared u, right? Tama? Okay, so as you can see, mag-cancel ang a, right? A will cancel out. And what is this? This is secant squared and secant squared. So this will cancel out. So, okay, by the way, dili na ni infinity to infinity. Our limit now would change. Asa ang infinity sa z? Remember that, tanawa ha, this is y. This is our theta. This is y, and this is our, as we can see, as we integrate from infinity to infinity, we are actually integrating from minus pi, from gikan dire to pi. So, we can integrate from 0 to pi, or minus pi to pi. Wait lang ha. From pi over 2 to negative pi. Sorry, itong ganiha, this is our u, right? And this is our a squared plus, this is our a, right? So, ang atong y is from negative infinity, which is, the u here is, okay, sorry. Tanawa, mo niya itong u, right? Ang negative infinity, positive y dito. So, the negative infinity nga y is naa dire, right? And that would be equivalent to, no, negative pi over 2. Yes, pwede gyapon. So negative pi over 2. To what? The positive infinity y would correspond to pi over 2. Okay? So this is now the integral, this becomes now the integral of 2k sigma, the integral of du from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Simple na kayo. Okay? So this is just u and evaluated from pi over 2. So pi over 2 minus negative pi over 2 is pi. So this is just now 2 pi k sigma. Okay, finally, we have a formula. The electric field due to an infinite sheet is substitute 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Right? So, mahimong sigma over 2 epsilon naught. I hat. Or actually, we can just say the magnitude of that is sigma over 2 epsilon naught if we are only interested in. This is the electric field due to an infinite sheet of charge sheet with sheet nga SHEET ha. Unsa lang ka ng infinite nga other sheet. I cannot imagine that. Okay? So, anyway. Pila?